Hello, Jeffrey. This is Paul Cundiff. We getting ready to. We're testing you out, checking you out. One of the first things we did a compression test. It wasn't very impressive. We're going to. Did you do that one by the? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it was 90 pounds in the first cylinder, 85 in the second, 68 in the third. That's the only one that I'm really concerned about. Then 92 in the fourth, and these are 100 in the fifth, and 95 in the sixth, and that's from the front to the back, I guess, right?
Well,
or from back to the front.
Yeah, number one's back here.
Okay.
In the aft, and 6 is in the.
Okay, so that's from the rear to the front. So so that's the 68 is it's going to run and it'll run okay. It's just not gonna be a perfect performer. Yeah, it's that one right there that he's had his finger on. So that's the first thing that we've discovered that we're concerned about. Got a couple 8-volt batteries coming. We just cranked it on a 12-volt battery. Starters love, the more volts you got, the more the starters love them. The other thing we noticed when we pulled the cap off the gas tank is there's supposed to be a captive chain here to keep you from losing your $150 cap. The next thing we noticed is this is a galvanized nipple instead of brass, and it's full of rust. I'll send you a picture of that. Aaron took a picture of that. Also, we took a dowel rod and okay, we can show. Well, then also there's your fuel pump, and that's what your gas looks like in your fuel pump. So it should be clear, maybe a little bit yellow, but as you can see, it's really red. That's the rust on the inside of your fill spout, and then there's quite a bit of rust down in the tank. And one thing that we know from experience is you can't take your tanks out. You can't effectively clean your tanks. I can put a new tank in for you, new Coast Guard approved, tested to 4 psi, aluminum construction. I can put a new tank in for you cheaper than I can clean it out. I've had experience cleaning it out, and it's ugly, and you have to dispose of the gasoline in an environmentally sound way, and there's just all kinds of challenges, not to mention the fact that you're dealing with something that's explosive. So we typically just change them out, because if this was done correctly, there would be a baffle inside here as well, and that's to keep fuel from sloshing from side to side and throwing your boat off of balance. So there would be a baffle in here, and if there is a baffle, you can't clean around the baffle. You can't you can only clean on one side of the baffle, unless you cut the tank open, and then you might as well just build a new damn tank. So we need to do that. We will, and so anyway, we'll run it after we've got a new tank in it. We're not gonna run the engine on this crap right here. Matter of fact, it doesn't even smell like gasoline. It doesn't really even smell like varnish. Where'd that stick go?
Oh, I dropped. I'm sorry.
Well, that's okay. That's all right. I thought I'd show you too.
It's porous down there.
Yeah, we're feeling the bottom of the tank is rough. And there's some of the rust that we're getting out of it, and a little dowel rod's not really made to scoop up the rust. So that's what you got down there. It's a real issue. It didn't even smell like gasoline. I really kind of questioned whether it would really light.
Right.
So anyhow, that's our initial findings, and we'll be working on it some more tomorrow. Talk to you soon.